Hello guys, welcome to all of you. In this question, it is asked to find out the voltage source Vs here in this voltage source Vs value, and in this question we can see that there is no information about the elements, as this is voltage across this element. So what is the type of this element, what is the nature of this element, whether it is resistance, capacitance, or inductor. There is no information about it, so it is very difficult to find out by KVL KCL method about the voltage source Vs here. So let's see how we can solve this question. And let us know about the concept of absorbed power in a circuit and power supplied by elements in a circuit. So first of all, let us know that a element will supply the power, or it will absorb the power. How can we understand? By seeing the nature of current and voltage in the circuit. So if the current is incoming at a positive terminal of the voltage, then we can see that element will absorb the power, and the value of power will be plus Vi. And if current is entering at the negative terminal of the element voltage, then absorbed power will be minus Vi, or we can say that the element will supply the power to the circuit, and it supplied power will be equal to Vi, or absorbed power will be minus Vi. So supplied power is called, can be understand as negative value of the absorbed power. In the given question, let us assume that this is the element A1, this is the element B1, this is the element C1, this is the element D1, and voltage source is E1. So, so we can find out the absorbed power across element A1 by considering that the current is entering at a positive terminal, as here it is indicated that 3 ampere current is leaving the negative terminal, so it is entering at the positive terminal. So its power will can be written as power of A1 equal to voltage into current. Since the current is entering at the positive terminal, then its value will be positive. So absorbed power can be written as 10 volt into 3 ampere is equal to 30 watt. Now if we see about the element B1, then 3 ampere current enter at the positive terminal, so this element absorbed power can be written as 3 into 6 and with positive sign. So B1 value can be written as plus V into I, absorbed power is equal to, and as voltage is 6 volt and current is 3 ampere, so its power absorbed will be 18 watt. Now we can see in the circuit about C1. Since the current is leaving at negative terminal, so we can say that it is entering at positive terminal, so its absorbed power will be 8 into 6 watt with positive value, so it will be equal to plus V into I, that is equal to 8 volt into 6 ampere current, that will be equal to 48 watt. Now see the element D1. In this element it is shown that current is leaving the positive terminal and entering at negative terminal, so its power will be, absorbed power will be in negative in sign, or we can say supplied power will be in positive in sign. So what will be the power? Power is voltage into current, 16 volt into 9 ampere current. Then this can be written as power of D1, absorbed power of D1 is equal to minus V into I, where the voltage is given as 16 volt and current is 9 ampere, so total voltage will be minus 144 watt. As we know that by conservation of energy, the total power in a circuit will be equal to 0. Total power in a circuit will be 0, as or we can say supplied power, summation of supplied power, power supplied equal to summation of power absorbed. So in this question we can see that 30 watt, 18 watt and 48 watt, these are the absorbed power, and 144 watt is the supplied power. So we can write power by A1 equal to 30 watt plus power by B1 equal to 18 watt plus power by C1 equal to 48 watt, and power of D1 equal to minus 144 watt, and plus power of E1, that is power supplied by Vs source, power absorbed by Vs source, that will be equal to 0. So we can find out power absorbed by Vs source, then PVS can be calculated from here, is that is equal to 48 watt. So this element E1 will absorb power of 48 watt. So we can solve by using the power supplied or absorbed method to a circuit. Sometimes it is asked in the examinations.